So add page number to Canva documents. Let's pick a document type. And I'm going to click on magic right here to describe my writing. I want to prepare my document before we add page numbers to the document. So I'm going to enter this for Canva to do its magic. And I'm going to enter. Now that we have our documents laid out, another thing I want to do is to come over to file here and come to page setup. I want to pick how my document is going to look. For me, is the US letter. And now I have set my page type. You can see that I have pages now in my documents. To add page number to our Canva document, currently now you can see the text tab on the side, which is quite interesting, but you could walk around this. What you can do is to click on the share button here and click on download to download your design as a PDF. I'm going to click on download, but this background play is no longer going to play in your design, and save the design. Now you want to come over to your uploads tab to upload this PDF you just downloaded. This is my PDF. It will upload as a design here. We have our PDF design uploaded. What you want to do is to go over to files here and create a new design. So you're going to go to custom size, and we're going to change our pixels. As you remember, we chose US later. We're going to change this into inch. We're going to select this unit size, which is 8.5 by 11 inch. Now that we have this open, let's go back into our uploads tab and come into our design to find our PDF. This is the design we worked on Canva documents. We'll click to add in our first page. You see it has added in, and we'll add in the second page, or we can just apply both pages and it does the same thing. From here, you see nothing actually changed. You can still edit these boxes, and from here you can click on the text box and come to page numbers, and you see the page numbers as automatically applied to our document. You can click this drop down to choose what type of page number you want to use, whether you want to use X of Y, page 1, or numbers only.